How to draw a koi fish with just eyeliner. Let's go. First, I'm going to go in with cheap eyeliner that I got from the dollar store. And then I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, which I got from Sephora. With koi fish, I always start with the tail and then go to the head and then do the body. The head of the fish is going to look like a heart, but instead of the point at the end, it's just going to be a straight line. And then right off of that line, I'm going to do another line, and then the whiskers. And then I'm going to do a little circle-ish thing in the middle of the head, drawing 2 lines from that. The eye, 2 gills, and 2 dots. And then a eyebrow-looking thing connecting the two almost, and then I'm going to put in the fins. The fin on the body is just a straight line with 2 curves. I usually do one bigger and then one smaller. I go in with the cheap eyeliner first because it is easy to take off. Kat Von D's eyeliner is easy to take off with water, although I don't like wasting it because it is a little bit pricier. Like I said, with the head, it's like a circle-ish shape. You can do whatever. You don't even have to put this part, but I think it adds a little more to the koi fish. It adds a little more detail to the koi fish. And then I'm going to go in starting with the scales, but I'm going to go back in with the Kat Von D before I finish the scales. I'm just going in and darkening the lines, making it more defined and more clean. The Kat Von D eyeliner is more precise and it's easier to control. I do recommend this for eyeliner as well. It's just easier to get detail with this eyeliner than any other eyeliner that I've used. And then I'm going to draw lines, nothing too detailed about this. They're just straight lines. It doesn't have to be clean. Alright, and for these scales, it's just simple little half circles, and then you go off from the middle of the other half circle, and then just continue those lines down. You're always going to go from the head to the tail. The fish on the right has 2 layers of the eyeliner, and the fish on the left has 1 layer. I always like going in with 2 layers of the eyeliner. And I'm just going to add little details because it looked plain without it, especially because I'm not putting colors in. These I just put 3 little dots, and then I put the Path to Enlightenment symbol right next to this, and then I signed my name. And that's how I draw koi fish. It's my favorite thing to draw. I just find it very relaxing to draw these fish. And yeah, that's the tutorial. Okay, yep. Okay, bye.